Hi, this is Design Guy. Curious how to make your Canva slides loop on repeat? I'll walk through it.
First, click Create and choose Presentation from the menu. Then, select Presentation again and proceed to the next step in the process. Look for the elements you want to use in your project. For example, in this step, we will first add a specific element to the canvas. Select a background image, click Set Image as Background, and then add another element. This allows you to customize your layout by layering different elements over your chosen background. Search for an animation. In this example, select the walking animation. This will be used for the demonstration, but you can pick any animation needed. Click the Animate button, then select Create an Animation. Now you can hold and move your object or element to make adjustments, creating the animation sequence you want for your project. Hold Shift on your keyboard and drag the walking image to the right. This will constrain the movement to a straight line. After moving it, you'll see the image positioned further right, allowing you to continue arranging your elements in the composition. To export your animation, click the Share button, then select Download. Choose GIF as the file format, and your animation will be saved as a GIF file to your computer, ready for use or sharing. Make sure your presentation is set to loop so it will automatically restart after reaching the end. You've learned how to loop your presentation in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.